You got it?
Yep.
Do you want mine?
Nope.
Oh. Let me inside you. Smells like COVID in here.
I don't know about that. Well, maybe because you brought it. Well, we don't know if he officially is negative. Because I am. He?
We definitely know I'm still positive.
Yeah.
Gross.
For sure.
Gross.
Gross. You're cooking for us too?
No.
That's great. That's fantastic. Yeah, what are you eating so healthy now? Who are you?
Well, he's older now. What are you, 30, right?
We had 19 beers the other night. I saw.
Hey, well, shit. I got my beer over here.
Can I open the oven?
Yeah, you can open it.
What's in there? Oh, shoot. I was going to make that tonight. Thank you. Yeah, that'll work.
Dang, bro. Is there something for me? No. What? Come here to fix my investments and get free dinner.
I just came back
You
from
got
the
a
gym.
cup? Where can I get a cup?
A what?
A cup.
Was that the Fabletics? You wearing it?
For what?
It does look pretty good.
No, this is
That's Nike.
this is Nike.
Was that Nike too?
No, this is Fabletics.
Those are Fabletics. They look nice.
Shut up.
Did they have
Because they started doing like
Shameless
dudes.
plug.
I know, shameless plug.
Oh no, I'll get you.
They started doing gym clothes and Fabletics for men.
Oh.
And I saw it on Instagram because
have
since he's a
water,
big Lululemon
Yeah.
fanatic, this is the great content you get on No Revving here, by the way.
Yeah.
You know, we just bring you nothing but up to date. You know.
Fabletics is my gym clothes.
So I sent him a link, and you can get it for like really cheap compared to Lululemon.
Oh, Lululemon is a ripoff, bro.
Yeah, that's expensive.
I like it, bro, but it's fucking $50 a pair of fucking shorts, bro.
That's not a rip-off. It's just
It's not for poor people. That's
yeah,
all. Yeah.
exactly. You know, it's meant for. There's exclusiveness to it.
Exclusive, if you're poor, you can't buy it. Anyone? Or are you just showing me?
Showing you.
Damn it, I thought you got this for me.
I like.
I thought I was coming over here getting gifts. This does look nice.
For $14.
How much was this? 14 bucks?
About between 14 or 17.
That's pretty nice. What size is this?
Are we doing clothes or are we working on a car? Or what are we doing?
So this is what happens when you have a motorcycle and you don't pay insurance on it.
You break the clutch cover.
Yeah. You want to tell the people, the good people of YouTube what happened?
All right, so you want to tell us what we're doing today, Frank?
So we're going to fix the trailing arms on our...
Why did you turn into a robot? When
I don't know.
Yeah. like today we're going to fix... Yeah.
We're going to fix the trailing arms on our UTV. You want to tell them what happened? Tell the people.
You fucking broke it, bro.
Oh, okay.
Sent it too
So
hard.
we were in the sand dunes earlier. Edit to cut to that. Now we're back.
What happened is that he refuses to change the suspension
I refuse to
on
change.
a razor that who the fuck knows what they did with it. And now every time we send it, we break it.
So we sent it a little too hard and we broke one of the trailing arms. So we put a stock one back on and now we're going to replace the other three with all the stock arms. So we'll see. Oh, and we changed the oil on the dirt bikes.
All right, so what are we working on for real? I mean, I know you explained it.
Yeah, so
but-
these are the rear trailing arms. So we have aftermarket ones on here. And basically when we sent it, we just did the jump way too hard. We came down. When the rear tire hit, it actually broke right here at this bushing and just broke clean off, and the tire was just pushed over and leaned in. Luckily, we're actually able to find the stock ones. And the only reason these aftermarket ones are on here because these are high lift. So if you're doing like a lot of rock crawling and stuff like that, you can see you're getting a little bit more clearance here versus you are on this one. But we don't really care about having the clearance because we're not doing any rock clawing with what we do. And then you get some adjustability in this as well, but we're fine keeping the stock suspension geometry. So we're just going to switch the other arms back to the stock.
So you get rid of that one?
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of this one, both of these, and then this one. So this is a stock one. So, but I still think these are gonna hold up better than these aftermarket ones. So we'll see. So these are LED whips. So you need these to go out at night, so you get more visibility. So I'll turn this one on, and you can see. But it's normally So this one would bottom mount, so we have mounted up here, but this gives you a ton of light, and you really want that visibility when you're out on the dunes at night. That way you can see other people and other people can see you. So we'll have a total of 3 whips on this, and we have like the flags on here too as well. Yeah. Of course we have a full Kyle.
Maximum Kyle.
I put this flag on here and I started punching holes in the drywall. It felt great. Because this thing's so high up, we have to like... There we go.
Double up, for real?
Yeah. Because it won't... Because the suspension travel on this is so long, so you gotta jack it up way high to get it loose.
Good point.
I think it's like 20 something inches maybe.
So they're adjustable too, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I mean, even these, like, look, these have the reservoirs.
That's
so you
brilliant.
can adjust, you know, the softness and hardness of these too as well. But, I mean, for the riding, like, we're doing, you know, if we're out here trying to race it, you know, maybe I think we need to play around with the adjustability of it. But pro tip on the maintenance, so these don't have sealed wheel bearings. So we actually, when we bought this, we had to replace 3 out of the 4 wheel bearings because they weren't greased. So they make this tool, I think this tool's only like 20, 30 bucks like that. And basically you just take the wheel off and you take your center hub off here. You can stick this into the wheel bearing, and then with this little slit right in here, it'll pump the grease into the wheel bearing. So you want to do this every so often to make sure that these wheel bearings are greased on here, because it's going to lengthen the longevity of the wheel bearing.
Bro, you will find sand.
Oh, everywhere, yeah.
You will find sand up in your asshole for a year after going to the desert.
For a year. Yeah, you see that?
So how much are these? All the stock ones.
We bought these used for $100, so
Good.
25 bucks a piece. Huh?
It's in your court what they want to do, what you want to do.
You're the boss, man.
Leave it up to me. That way if it breaks, you're like, you're the one.
That's exactly. Nailed it.
Smart, smart.
Can we lift it?
Yeah, jack it up a little bit.
I was just gonna pick it up, but okay.
Like, dang, bro, you work out.
Better?
Yeah, that's good right there.
Space room to remove the car.
That way, Dave.
Not Dave, it's Chris.
That way, Chris sees that no Revving uses jack stands. Duralast as well.
Yeah, they're not.
These aren't Harbor Freight, okay? We have the good quality jack stands.
But the jack is Harbor Freight.
Don't worry about that. Look, this was his toolkit he's working with.
You would call him out his toolkit?
Whoa, I know. I'm like, this is what we got here? Like,
Oh man. Don't let Mason see that. Mason's got the dopest set right now.
this is like the worst toolkit I've
That's
ever
cute.
seen.
That's actually Michael's.
So you don't even own tools? Technically?
Well, that's what he owns. Well, you know what? I buy things as I need them.
Yeah.
I need a new one on the market.
Clearly.
That's also 15?
Yes.
Let me help you, bro. Hold on, let me help you.
They're both 15.
Just if you shake it more than 3 times, you're playing with it.
I think these uppers won't be, that lower one is just going to be a pain on the one to replace.
Yeah, if Mason didn't have the tools, then we just be
I
done
know.
with it.
Yeah, don't you have a little...
Yeah, I have 2 of them. Mason has both of them.
He has both of them?
Yes.
Oh, nothing like when your friends borrow your tools.
Man, all their tools are being borrowed right now. He has this, but
This whole time, and
he's
now?
watching you do that.
Yeah, 30 minutes
Like
later.
literally watching you do that.
And then, oh, I have one of these, by the way.
You need it or no?
Yes.
So, well then, save it for a second.
Doing that for 600 years.
5 years later.
Saved you, bro. I'm gonna move this car out of the way.
You need help with that, or are you good? Oh man, you been working out, Jorge?
We strong over here, bro.
Man.
Loudest thing I've never heard anything that loud. Do you wish your car was louder?
For sure, bro. Yeah.
What is that?
a negative COVID.
Bro,
That's cool.
Jesus.
Doesn't matter.
This is exactly 24. That's 25.
That's exactly.
Okay. So this is the, so that should be, wait, that's 24 and that's 20.
Yeah.
So these should be backwards then.
Yeah.
Because the longer one goes on the bottom. Let's make sure these. That's 25. So yeah, we go backwards.
We pendejos.
That's the fun
The
part.
pendejo part.
Jeez. We're wasting 20 minutes.
Literally.
Putting these on backwards. It's not fun unless you're doing it twice, you know?
So, you had them upside down, huh?
We definitely checked it and they were off. We fixed it. What'd you say? I can't hear you.
All right.
It wasn't upside down. It was upside down. I think it looks better. Like it just looks cleaner.
Yeah. Alright, so you're supposed to change these filters about every other use. As you can see, he already fucked this one up because he didn't put it correctly. So we're gonna have to fix that. And then if you come around, there's a screen over here. That little screen, you can see the between this little lines over here, you're gonna be able to see the level of the oil and how dirty it is. Depending how dirty it is, if you see it darker, you want to change it, or after a very, you know, we went on a trip on a desert, you probably want to change it as well. If not, you change it every 2 or 3 times after you use the bike. Some people change it every 2, every 1. It just depends on the owner. We do it every 2 or 3. That's definitely not it. This is for a 125, bro.
Uh-oh.
What is?
The filter.
Is it brand new that you just got?
Yeah.
Should be the same size, huh? It's not the
Do you have any extras?
fit. Like my boy says, if it doesn't fit, you must have quit.
You don't quit when it gets hard, bro.
Oh,
You make it fit.
no.
You make it work.
Well, that's how you make it work. You buy a new motor.
Oh. It's best to do this at night.
Yeah.
That has a bolt.
Or oh shit.
Huh.
Is there a hole in it?
Never mind.
There's a hole in it where you don't have to take it off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
No,
convenient.
you take it off, but it's still
There's this one right here. I think it's a 10.
Why do these engines have to be rebuilt all the time? Like everyone I see for sale is always like top end rebuild, bottom end rebuild. I'm like,
On the dirt bikes,
yeah.
you just have to get. I guess because there's small engines. And it's not rebuilt, bro. Really, it's just replacing. It's kind of maintenance, really. Because all you're doing is getting the piston out and putting a new one.
That's all.
Yeah.
Oh, just basic maintenance.
Yeah, but it's not because it's broken necessarily. It's just.
Well, like in a street bike, I feel like you don't have to. You're not rebuilding the engine every so often.
Yeah, but it's a different.
Yeah, they run different though, bro.
I'm sure it's a completely different engine.
Yeah. And it's not that small. It's never 250.
How much is that filter?
How much?
Yeah.
I think we got like 20.
$20? You sure? Patrick, how much is this filter?
Huh?
How much is this filter?
I asked him, he's the one that bought
He
it.
said he didn't know, so
I don't know, like 20 bucks for 10.
How many?
that's not helping us at all. Patrick knew exactly.
You bought the cheap ones then.
Yeah, he bought the cheap ones, you know he did.
So when it came? Okay.
Sounds good. That's what I had right before my COVID. It's gonna give me PTSD. Did you buy the right oil filters? Look how tiny those things are.
Yeah, that's cute.
That's cute.
Yeah, make sure it goes.
Yeah, the old one, look at that, it's kind of dark.
Kinda.
Oh yeah, we need new grips too, remember?
Yeah, those grips are
These grips are garbage.
third world country, bro.
Like, you hear all the sand in there? So one thing that they did upgrade on these is we got upgraded clutch and brake levers. Because if you see, so they're like double jointed, so if you actually drop the bike, they'll move outwards this way instead of just breaking off.
Also, another thing that this cheap ass has to do is remove this number with another man's name. He's writing with a different man's name.
I'm just changing my name legally. My name now is Patrick Valentin. Yeah. You know I like Latinos and Latinas.
So you
That's not, it's Italian, bro.
So you like guys now?
No, I like them as friends.
Stay away from that.
Hold it. Yeah, just hold it.
Well, why'd you tell me to buy two?
This is a week and a half for next time.
Okay.
Patrick acting like he just broke the bank. Why'd I have to buy two?
It's full, right? Like it's, huh?
Yep.
Tilted the other way. Tilted it that way. Oh yeah, there he goes. Yeah, it's full. Cool.
Is that it?
That's it.
Alright. You know what to do.
Skedaddle.
That's
So that is it. You've now witnessed us changing the suspension on the Polaris Razor, and we also changed the oil on our Yamaha. I don't know why I talk like this. Like, subscribe, thumbs up.
You look like an
unless
angry
you
guy
hate
in his
us.
life, bro.
I'm very angry. No Revving out.